Elb, as far as I know, is the first programming language that is a conceptual art piece. The language can express any kind of computation. A big part of Elb was, could you really build a language that didn't use the Latin alphabet? Elb is built entirely on Arabic, and everything broke. Every text editor just has no idea what to do. The terminal is useless. All of the tools that I use to be creative while writing code fall apart. I thought it would be interesting to challenge that. So this is the Elb interface. It's modeled after a traditional terminal programming session. So you can write code directly into it. So I'm just going to print out my name. I type Qul. Qul means say in Arabic. Followed by that is what it is that I want it to print. And here this is my name written in Arabic, and it just prints it out directly after it. Arabic as a language has some very interesting properties that lend itself towards code. Arabic is a joined language where certain letters join with the letter that follows them using a line, so that words form almost like solid forms. What you can do in Arabic is you can stretch out the length of that join. So you can align things perfectly in Elb just by stretching all the words out and make it look visually beautiful in a way that you couldn't do with English code. And that's entirely a result of just using Arabic as a text. I've implemented 3 algorithms for the show. So this is the Fibonacci algorithm. It's an algorithm that computes a series of numbers. The Fibonacci function is what's called recursive. It calls itself. And this is the implementation in Elb. The 10th Fibonacci number is 55, so it just prints that out. The last one, which is my favorite, is Conway's Game of Life, which is very long. What Conway's Game of Life does is it takes an initial configuration of what's called the universe, and if I run it, based on the number of filled cells, it turns black or white. That's it. You can see the universe in this corner up here. This will repeat indefinitely. This algorithm to me is just profound beyond all measure because it is simple and elegant and beautiful. And this is it in Arabic. Computer science was born largely in England, and software engineering was really fostered in the United States. If we are going to really push for coding literacy, which I do, if we're going to push to teach code around the world, then we have to be aware of what their cultural biases are and what it means for someone who doesn't share that background to be expected to be able to reason in those languages.